Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the audio music to your video in CapCut PC. So this is basic tutorial for you guys who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So import your video you like to edit and just add the track, just drag, and you can add the audio music. Just click on the audio option right here. You can select music available here. You can select sound effect, so many sound effect. You can select this one, and you can extract the audio from your video. Just click import your video to extract it. You can add the audio from TikTok account. Just link to TikTok account. Just click on it, and for example, I'm going to add the music available here. Just click on add to track. So the music has been added to your video, and you can split the music and remove unused. You can yeah, add the auto beat, right? You can adjust for the option right here for the volume, and you can add the pad in and pad out. You can turn on for noise reduction, voice effect, and you can adjust for the speed of your audio. Okay, that's how you can add the music or audio to your video in CapCut for PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please let in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.